Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a to-do form email in Basecamp. All right. So first up, open up your project, click on it. And then here, as you can see, we don't have email forwarding. And at the bottom right, just like before, we'll be able to find a section or option to click on a hyperlink that says email content to this project. But now things have changed. Okay. Just go to the top, click on three dots right here and click on setup tools. Click on it. Now go and scroll down and you'll find email forwards. So just enable it. Once done, go ahead and go to the top, click on your project once more, and then go ahead and scroll down. You'll find email forwards. Click on it. And as you can see, we have this link or address. It says here with this address, we won't have to ask where to put your forward. It'll go directly into the project itself. Okay. So what we'll do is just copy it, and then maybe later on, okay, you may want to send some to-do list for your team. And by the way, you have this option as well. Okay, Basecamp will send you a follow-up email asking where you'd like to save your forward. Once you choose the Basecamp right here will save it, and anyone on your team can add comments. Okay, going back to paste the copied address or URL or link. Maybe start the subject line to like to do. Okay, you can go ahead and add in some image if you want to. Let's say this one. What do you think about this generated AI image? And then just hit on send. Okay, wait for it. And then once done, you can now go ahead and go back or check it to your Basecamp project. Okay, click on your project. And then here under email forwards, you should be able to see the to-do list. Okay. And that is it. You can click on it, or your teammates can click on it and then add in their own comments and so on and so forth. They can download it as well. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.